Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, guys, it's a night market night. You know the thing goes there, really have to always be here whenever it's night market night. Night market cannot be here without Kino, and Kino cannot be here without night market. But trust me, tonight, I don't know what's going on tonight. Tonight is on a different mood because there's more cars than any other else night. Tonight is so jam-packed with cars. The first time I ever parked so further up the road, the first time ever. So I really want to see what's going on here tonight. So let's take you guys inside.
Hi Kina, I know what you've got for sure. By 9 o'clock is perfect time. 9 o'clock.
Well. Good night. We at the samosa spot. This is where you get all your samosa?
Yes.
So explain to me what type of samosa we have here.
So the samosas we have tonight are the lentil,
lentil.
Ethiopian what?
Oh.
Culture mentioned, yes. Then we have the chickpeas.
Samosa.
Yes. Enough chickpeas lovers the most.
Yeah.
Then we have the
that one they done. I want to buy one of the chicken samosa.
Remember, so everything here, this is the no bone zone.
Oh, no bone
no
zone.
No meat, nothing with quack, nothing with cock-a-doodle-doo.
Nothing at all.
Nothing like that. But that one was the ackee and banana strips.
Okay.
So that's the vegan version of ackee and saltfish.
Okay. So what make you get into samosa here in Jamaica?
Here in Jamaica. So, quick story. The quick story is that I love samosas. And there was only one place where did have them, and I used to beg my mother every time. Like, I would do things just to go and get that samosa.
Oh, okay.
But it was kind of far, so it was like a bit of a hassle. So one day I get up and say, I can make them myself. So I went on YouTube. I made a batch of kale samosas. Those were the first ones I made. It was like kale and kalaloo, I think. And I made my family taste them, and them said, this tastes good. Yeah. And then my nickname is City. So I said,
City?
Yeah, people call me City. So I said, City samosas.
Okay.
That kind of bad.
Yeah, it makes sense.
And so over time it developed into a business. I came here and joined the No Bone Zone. And then eventually I kind of kick him out. And I kind of take over this stall. But this is his juices. My father juices, veggie meals and meals.
Okay, your dad.
But yeah, but these are my samosas. City samosas.
So you have a location where you have a business place or not yet?
Not yet. However, the restaurant Veggie Meals on Wheels is in Crossroads, and you can go there for samosas. Sometimes we'll reheat them for you. So if I'm there, I will make. But it is mainly an online business. So I do caterings. People have ordered in the past for like a dozen or half a dozen, and then freeze them and just pop it in their microwave or in their toaster and full joy. Yeah.
Full joy. So where they can find you on Instagram, right?
Instagram, you can find me at citysamosas_JA.
Samosa.
Yeah.
So that's it here. Oh, it says act pretty. No, that's not you, right? Are you that?
That is an
old one.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna use this city's samosa on Instagram. You can What, you wanna say something? What you wanna say?
How could I forget to mention my big bad employee of the century?
Okay, the big bad employee of the century. Sure, wow. I like your natural beauty as well. I like your natural hair. Very soon see. So what's your name?
Kiandra Walters.
Kiandra. Okay, so you have Kiandra City.
Yes.
So right now we're in Kiandra City.
Yes.
You know, where some most of them not pretty. You know?
They are pretty. What do you mean?
Yeah, because you got pretty right here. Okay. So the pretty city. Yes. But I mean, like, you know, when them get down right, you know? I'll definitely have to try one. You know? It's samosa. So what type of juice is this we have here?
The juices we have tonight are moringa and thyme and sour sap.
Our sap.
Jamaica's favorite, yeah?
Says the our sap. Nothing no sour about it. But the our sap here in Jamaica. Alright then, so guys, you know we're in the night market, so whenever you come here, you need to come try this city samosa. It's finger licking good.
Well, we're not too deal with the care. But you are right.
You're right, of course, guys. It tastes good, right? So you cannot go wrong.
Wipe out when you get the samosa.
Is she just send her for the camera?
No, you can. If you find one of my customers, ask them.
Okay, where's the customer? Customer here. You should try the samosa. Sure. Yeah, girl. Yeah.
Is it good? Is the samosa good?
Well, you need to try. Let me get that on camera right now.
Okay.
You should try.
I'm gonna try. How much is it for the samosa? Yeah, I'll try it.
I'm kinda nervous.
Why are you nervous, girl? What come with it?
Sauce.
What kind of sauce? What flavor sauce is it?
Normally I have tamarind or sorry.
I love a tamarind sauce. Anybody have tamarind sauce? I just give my arm.
For me, a Trini double, they say tamarind sauce, pan the Trini double, you know that gone. So she getting the sauce.
I know. I can see.
So we have the, alright, there you go.
Thank you. Hey.
So we have the Empress here is going to try the samosa.
Yes, you know who it is. Come here, forget up in my face.
So who is this now? We have
You know who it is. It's me. It's R to the A to the E. And I'm about to try city samosas.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
R to the A to the E.
That's
and she
me.
here with the K to the I to the N to the O. You know the thing.
know.
You know the thing. Go.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good bite.
Let's get a good bite. Get into it. So with that so much bite you want. So let you know what I go on. You see, you're gonna make the people them more run water. She's not being too fair, right?
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
It's not.
The other guy, it's slap. So from to say it's slap, it's slap.
And the barbecue sauce is the perfect compliment, girl.
You hear that? So the thing is on top, it's not drop. Trust me.
Never.
So once you come to the night market, you have to come try city samosa. Once you come to Kingston City, come to the night market, come try the samosa city. You know? How so? The samosa and everything. Make sure she dance. You know when it goes already.
I like this.
Hey. It's working. Yeah, it's here now. Right, Seven? He's here.
Yeah, because I was waiting for you.
You was waiting for me?
Yeah.
You wasn't telling Keen about the things then for me?
I was telling you was by the van.
He was telling your mom, say, yo, give my dad a break, mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you're ready to defend me,
Yeah, what I want.
What do you do?
The
You know? person on the back. I'm not really an IG person.
That's it, I finish,
The message that I remember to you, I like.
King of the liver.
You need a king of the liver?
Did I finish? One of me have to finish.
My WhatsApp is
This are the big one, you know. So you make sure.
Oh, the bigger one is one step at a time. I also need that.
No, that's the good old morning.
Yeah. Remember I got a buckle already, still one of those buckles. Because the buckle, it go
because there you are catching this time like
right here, so it will last until next week, right?
Yeah, well, it should if you're taking a tablespoon at a time, you know.
I take like 4 cards.
4 cards, man.
That's alright.
A tablespoon.
Yeah, I take about 4 cards. So, I know I'm not
Oh, you
playing.
stay with the thinking toe, because I'm the thinking toe.
Yeah, the thinking toe.
You're using the thinking toe as an athletic bridge, you know. You're supposed to use thinking toe, you know, man.
And I'm told
The last one, they finish. But
You want to say re-up.
yeah, it's real.
That's what I'm saying. Now, this is good for athletes as well. And again, the thinking toe, it has medicinal property that turns off the free radicals. Because we talk about parasites, thinking toe actually has a chemical in there that lock off the switch of the parasites them and the free radicals them. See, so you know people with cancer and them issues they talk. They promote it. And you talk about anemia, so you now sickle cell, low iron, thinking toe.
So thinking toe, if you're thinking slow, you get some thinking toe.
Yeah.
Alright then, so alright, here what then. So like I'm run out so we can grab this
Might
thing.
as well you get some thinking toe.
I know all of this is there. Okay, so that allows you to travel.
Yeah, we need to discuss some issues.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm diabetic, right?
Yeah, you show me
Okay,
that.
so the
Whatever time you get
yeah, it's gonna
you're gonna
you know bless we charge it with some product to kind of help out him system diabetic, you know, what he's suffering from. You know, because I'm also a sore when you
Yeah, because again, you see, when people who are born with diabetic issue, they have to be careful because what's happening. Neuropathic is where it starts affect nerves. So the nerve cells are dying. So therefore, it's not again. There's not enough flowing blood flowing. So when you get our cut, you know, it takes forever to heal. Yeah, because again, you have to talk about the flow, the blood flow. See, so you find that's why you feel a tingling and sensation down there, numbness.
okay.
Because the blood are cut off from down there, the nerves and everything are getting damaged. So don't play with them diabetes thing.
Alright guys, as we say, yeah, he's going to bless us with some product to start off with the kids them dad, which is Chargy, you know, which is Georgie, we call him Chargy, you know, with his diabetic issue, you know, so yeah, he's going to bless us with some product to start him off with something like his diabetic.
Ones and ones can always, you know, help him, you know, doing a thing for him to get certain things, but I'll get him kick started and get it flow.
Yes.
See, you're gonna get, first of all, you have to do a detox.
Yeah.
So flush out the colon because, as I said, there's a lot of gunk
Inside. So.
inside. Only for parasites who want to get rid of them. Then we deal with the blood flow. So first, we do get rid of the parasites.
Yeah. Okay.
See, it's very important.
So like us diabetic, you already know that so nothing we are give won't interrupt with nothing.
Now, even if he's taking any pharmaceutical drug, what he'll do, there's a certain time period where I say anywhere from 2 to 4 hours away from any pharmaceutical drugs that you're taking, you deal with them. Because these are complementary herbs, you know.
Okay.
These are complementary herbs. They are not, they can be integrated with the Western.
Basically what the dad said, you know, them give him like, you know, prescription, but he never fill it.
They never fill the prescription.
You know, because they never want any of that.
Yeah.
Them give him antibiotics, but he never want any of that. So they just want go natural.
They must do so. I tell people this all the time. You can't say you go to the doctor and you give a prescription and you say, yo, I don't take it.
Yeah.
Alright, you're not taking it. But what are you going to take? What are you going to do opposite to what you're recommending?
Choose something to take. So
You have to do something.
and the way to take is just herbal.
Herbal and
Natural
change
way.
the way you eat because your food has to be your medicine. You have to stop using your teeth to eat your grave. Very important to people. See, your food has to be your medicine. So, for instance, a stinking toe here. See, we know stinking toe is a food.
Yeah.
But what? What kind of food? It's a functional food. And when we say functional, mean when you eat this, you're getting energy. Yes, it has high in carbohydrate, but it's also high in iron.
Iron also,
See?
yeah.
Functional food.
Yeah.
So this is also good for people who are diabetic because again, it have a lower glycemic index still.
Yes.
Even though it's high in carbohydrate. Okay. So what we will do with the brethren now is alright. So what we're saying about circulation is vital.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give him a bottle of circulation tonic.
Okay.
Alright.
Guys, we have to really give thanks for Yaya for this, for the kids and father to help out with his diabetic, so we started him off with this.
So we're gonna flush out, cool and cleanse.
Yeah.
First I'm gonna for a couple days, couple nights, we'll start him off on the worm capsule, the worm out capsules.
Okay.
So it's gonna take two every night.
Before him go bed, right?
Before him go bed.
Okay.
So we're going to kill out some worms from early. And then on the 5th day, or the 7th day, we're gonna drink this.
The colon cancer.
Colon cleanser 4 hours after them last meal.
Yes.
This now gonna slip into the bathroom the next morning.
Yeah.
See,
so this is what, 2 drinks?
1 drink.
1 go, right?
1 go. Alright, so when you do that, it's still gonna continue on this.
So after 5 days.
After 5 to 7 days.
Yes,
You
drink this, and then after this.
You still continue with this.
Okay.
And while he's doing this every morning, he's gonna take about 2 ounces of this first thing to his mouth.
That is blood pressure. That's after the colon.
After the colon
cleanse.
Yeah. Now, circulation is very important. We talk about that, especially with people who trouble with diabetes. See, because we have to get the blood flow. He has a wound on his foot.
Yes.
So why it's not healing again? Because the blood is not fresh blood reaching the wound.
Okay.
So it can't heal if there's not enough fresh blood circulating there.
Yeah.
So once we can get the fresh blood going, because I'm pretty sure if you look at the blood that's there, it's dark, really dark. I'm gonna say black. See, so that's basically that don't have no nutrients in it. So no, this is what we're gonna do, and then a couple doses of this. We have some mixtures that we deal with. Wound healing. External, they have the dressing, and internally we build back the skin tissues.
Okay.
It's a process.
Yeah.
You have to start.
So because you're gonna send me the information, and I will call you when I go visit him tomorrow as well.
Definitely.
I will call you. Yeah. I'll call you when I go visit him tomorrow. Yes, guys. So you see, blessing us with the start and the help of the dad. Because trust me, I have to give thanks to Yaya. I want to thank you guys as well for reaching out and supporting Yaya. So thank you so much. Okay.
Continue, but stop them all.
Alright, so the colon cleanse.
So it's colon cleanse.
Circulation tonic.
This is the circulation tonic.
So the people who have poor circulation, this is what they need, I'm telling you. Let's get the blood. If you have suffering with numbness, swelling of foot, circulation tonic do it. So the blood purifier, and then you have the adult worm out. We have the children worm out, so that's why we say adult worm out. And
and that's the package here.
Yeah man, that is from Melissa and Yaya.
From Melissa and from Yaya, to the kids them father, so anyway it goes there, so we give thanks so much.
Just call me and
yes,
I can talk to him because you have to certain things have to know.
You have any of the measuring cap they can give you? Yes, and
Tell him to get back in control. Go tell him to get back in control. The bad
That suffer with diabetes also has
Yes.
eye problem.
eye problem.
Okay.
So this definitely can help him.
So this is the 2020 vision. This is the 2020 vision, which is also.
Yeah, man. So you see glaucoma, cataracts. You know, people who have a glare with the lights.
I was telling the young man here that there you go.
The muscle is weak.
Yeah.
And as I said, mucus, because we don't take care of the eye enough. Even right now we have the dust.
I'm sorry I couldn't make the last show. It just wasn't working. The hormones.
Don't think that dust. So just washing your eye alone can't help. Can't help. You have to be deliberate about it. That's why so many people have glasses these days.
Alright, so guys, so you see some Yaya's blessing to teach them father with some products to start them off with, right? And then also have the eye drops, 2020 vision, as well for also for the glaucoma, for all of that, right? And he's giving him adult wormouth as well too, you know, which will be taking this every night for 5 days.
No man, he's gonna take it for 15 days.
No, but for the first 5 days, and after the first 5 days, 5 to 7 days, you're gonna have the colon cleanse. Right? So after the colon cleanse,
then he starts with
tree fighter, you know.
Then he can start taking the blood purifier first thing in the morning.
so we start taking the blood purifier first thing in the morning, right? And that's 2 cups of that, right?
2 cups of this.
2 cups of that.
These are ounce cup.
Okay, and that's after the colon cleanse.
Yeah, and so while he's taking this now,
I think they're trying not
so he's gonna be taking this in the morning as well. 2 cups. This is the circulation.
2 cups of the circulation.
And then he's gonna take 2 cups at night too.
Okay. An empty stomach, right?
It's good to take it on an empty stomach.
Yes.
It's good to take it on an empty stomach.
Okay.
Maybe their
And that
intentions
is
were
it
actually
right there.
Yeah,
So
man,
guys,
this is a kickstart.
I will appreciate it from Melissa, which is the empress over here. We thank Melissa. I will thank Yaya, you know, for helping out the kids, them father, which is Charlie. You know, I'm saying Cranberry keep on bringing the blessings same way. So his name Georgie, but we call him Chargie.
Yeah, man, charge it.
Yeah.
Give you a charge, man.
Yeah,
a
well,
good
I'll see you guys
charge.
again.
You don't get to kick it
Dominic,
again.
you'll be cheerleader and just, you know, having this moment
We
like
have to embrace life and we have to take care of people while they're alive and don't wait until they pass away with a big party for them, man.
Dominic, please.
You know?
And for a man where literally just get a mild strokes and then recover from it.
I show me, I say I'm strong, you know? Strong man, same can beat this.
Yes, and then I go up there and see the man start help himself and put in some work back on the house for the kids. I'm like, wow.
Yo, listen, man. The man deserve to live.
He deserve to live.
He deserve to live.
He deserve to live. I'm thanking you so much for this to help him, you know.
It's a pleasure, brother.
Yes.
Anytime.
And we also thank our lovely viewers, our subscribers, you know, our excellent family to reach out to Yaya and give the blessings. Yaya and the Empress is giving the blessings, helping out a family that will need, you know. And the father have to be here for the kids. You know? So if he's not here, you know what's gonna happen. You have to protect them.
What's up, my friend?
Man. So we give thanks. So I'm gonna take the dark chocolate and the
King of the liver.
king of the liver.
That is good.
And
How you doing, man?
How you doing, Father? How it's going now? You would be my father.
Yes, sir.
alright, man.
Yo.
So, give thanks, yeah?
Every time.
Much
And
love,
link
man.
me.
Yes, and I call it when time I go and see them, so you can just remind me.
Yeah, man.
Oh, man, I let you speak to him as well. Thank you so much, yeah? 7, once more. My brother. There you go. Alright, yeah? Give thanks for all these products for the kids, them dad, you know, Chargie. We thank Yaya so much and Melissa, you know, for helping out this situation with them, you know, so we give thanks. Bless them, love. Bye. Okay. Bye. You know, today we're gonna get some groceries. Well, we're gonna get some ground food for the kids and that for Chargie. So you know you can always boil some soup and stuff as well to D-Rock Design from London. So we in town, so when we get some ground food and stuff, we can always boil soup. You know, because you know that's what you're gonna need more, some soup and things. Baby, auntie, can I get some dates? Can I get some dates?
Come on, Chris.
Baby.
Hello.
Hello.
That's all you give me?
Yeah, what? Let me tell it up for you with the camera.
No, fine, camera.
Baby, babes, what?
All them people are
Yes, that's
so when the man they tell you somebody laugh, yes,
From this to down this.
sell ground food and them something.
No. Only Irish.
Yeah, come give me some Irish. But Irish.
Yeah, man.
Are you Irish as well? Come save me some Irish too. I want some dates, baby.
Want to buy cabbage?
No, man, I walk with one, man. You
Come on, miss. You're too comfortable.
Big nephew.
Yeah.
What, the 12 and a half sunflower? You know her?
No, show anybody to see where that most good people.
Video style.
Where you sell? Where you sell?
Go and make him video style and put it up.
Where you sell?
No, man, when he come back, when he
Come from where? Where you come from?
Where you sell? Where you sell? May I ask you what you sell?
Oh, me sell straight out the net, so.
What you sell?
Only for different stuff.
Like what?
Yam banana.
No, me not sell them there.
Oh, you sell a drug food. Okay.
Sell peas and them stuff there.
Oh,
No,
want some a ground food one. Come baby, come sell with some Irish.
I don't want to carry on the argument.
No. Argument are going around there? Get some Irish. Come. I'm on dates as well.
So go on
dates,
come back now. You know, when, I remember that year, so you have to walk, come back, so we shall look about it.
Where you going to look up at top?
No, buy banana, yam.
Banana, yeah, where you going to get yam now?
Yam up there, chuck
Yam, chuck come.
Which
In a
one?
car park.
car park right there, so.
Try the car park.
Pop
there, so
show,
put
let's-
yam. Yeah, they man come now.
And come back. Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright, come.
It's like no, some to come back. So come.
Can I get sweet potato to go?
Stava buono. Ma se lo sapevo io. Ma se non buono. Non ce l'ha buono.
Onde la phone? How much point should I get?
No, se tu non mangia qua.
5 pounds. Alright, give me 5 pounds on this. Yeah, it's the small one them here. Big one them are weird too much. Kim eat healthy. Can I get some of them in female as well too? Some green beans. Boom, get the small one then. Yeah man, the small fit one them like them one, yeah? The fit one there. Look at phone. Yeah.
Much hour, 5 pound on it.
Yeah. So take the smaller one then, so.
Yeah. Here it is.
I don't know which one we get. Oh. That light man.
What's up, goldfish?
You like 5? How much I reach? Oh, should I not reach nowhere yet? too? Yeah.
Take off one of them roll, man. Take off one.
That's too small, man. No, I'm saying 2 pounds. One more.
Yeah, you can't throw no water in there, big bucket of oil. Yeah. I'm telling you, big one.
Yes, guys, so as we say, B-Rock from North London, you know, wanted to get us some grocery and stuff, you know, so we're getting some junk food where the dad can boil soup, you know, because they know say I'm going to need the soup, I'm going to need porridge, so get some cornmeal as well too. Where you go on? What you have over there? What you have over there? A pumpkin? Buy that?
Yeah, fine. 5.5.
Esta. What is it? I don't want to be over.
5.5. 5.5.
I'm going to give it a half. I have some can at the back of my vehicle. In my vehicle. Yeah. One banana or so. Hello.
What's up, baby?
About the Akshay, you know. About the Akshay. Good day.
How you doing?
Good, man, I'm good. Hello.
What?
What, man?
Answer. Which man I talk to you?
Answer. So you must have now pumpkin?
Yeah, me have pumpkin.
What you selling? Much a pound? 100 pound.
You want 100 pounds?
No. Where that one there go? Oh, where that go? Get that though? Yeah. Yeah. I know we are cooking.
Fresh Irish.
Cabbage, what you sell the cabbage? $50. Come on back, bro. Get some. Need some fair bag. A big bag. Wow, $50 for what? $50 a pound? Okay. $50 a pound, bro. So don't get more put more in it. Alright, because you don't want them spoiled for them too as well. Pay that honest. Alright, 5.5. Come look now. See, they want something to see yourself too?
Yeah, man, I take a phone, man. Come on,
Take a phone.
This phone will buy like 60.
Yes, guys. As what I was saying, Goldie, which is D-Rock design from North London, so we're getting some drum food and stuff for them can boil soup, because that is needed for the dad. We need more soup for the body, so I'm getting a lot of drum food because we don't have those stuff up here, so I'm getting those stuff for him, so he can get out of that. Carrot. How for banana them then? Your banana? So you sell a banana?
Those are bunch in it.
Eh?
So it's on.
The thick size and arrive.
They can't eat it.
This all.
How we run them and eat them?
Oh.
They want to do your fan last.
Give me a decent size now. Right.
Yeah.
Eh?
You like this?
How much of that?
800.
So what that? Alright. Yeah. Esther.
What's my name?
No,
Oh,
it's like a bigger bag. No, I'm saying that's a better bag. I'm going to leave my banana here so when I come, I'm going to buy yam with this and come back. Yeah. I'm going to leave it here so we have pass back.
You can see this.
Ah, yeah, rest your bag. How much for the cabbage and the pumpkin and that?
Cabbage at 350, and 5, 850, and 860.
Esther, 1650.
$100 sweet potato.
$50 carrot. Carrot juice.
I think it can look good.
$50 carrot. Tomorrow 150 and 200 carrots.
Instead of them a car when I done this and the next bag when I bust and load up my car to the thing that sky high. 200 pounds of carrot. $50 Irish and sweet potatoes. Irish and sweet potatoes.
Is it $50 a pound?
Yeah, for Irish and sweet potato. Okay. Back up everything on the way and give it.
Everything you want, give me.
I just give it 5 bills and take up everything.
No, I'm good, man.
4 bills. 4 bills.
How would that go, Joe?
Pedro, come in, man.
One Pedro.
How much I take about 3 pounds or 2?
Eh?
Just up carrot.
How much that? Make it weird and one Pedro.
Yeah, I mean, soon for my side, I'm going to some food.
Which part you say then?
We out at church.
Want some yam? We can't eat the yam from.
Yam for yam?
No, yeah, yam for yam, yeah. What's for the yam going there? Because somebody will buy them for one man who's sick. So you buy some ground food.
Which part you say? Go on a yam. Anyway, don't listen. I get 50. How much is it? 5 pound.
No, an Irish. Oh, yeah?
No, man, yeah, man. Go and look.
Get Irish, we have Irish.
Yeah. Man, that's why I scoop up everything. And they look soft. Yeah.
He's a boy. Go and just go and push him. We just roll in some Irish and
feed them.
Yeah, man.
Much of them
can't bring up all that back. Somebody will get. Yeah, somebody will go and if I don't know what tomorrow, but I haven't seen it either.
Alright, respect. So, Pedro, I wish we forgot the yam gum.
Come in, man.
Alright, I'm going to get this something. How much is this one? 250. That's the 250.
Pedro, what's for the Sunday? Yam gum, yam.
Yeah.
What's enough? The thing can give me to them black off. You can't give me
on the front that them say, man. So if I bring them
tomorrow. I bring them in tomorrow. I'm just not them on.
Yeah.
Come 15 like carrot. 15 like carrot.
Esther, come over.
What you down?
A soup with maga boy.
Soup.
Right, how much money?
150. That's right. About how much them? Big man I buy for?
Yeah, buy them one.
I love soup.
Them one, yes.
I love soup.
Eh? Buy them one. Them one there.
Somebody giant.
150. Give me a 5 pound. What's that? Esther, 5 pounds. At the first price me I work with, you know. No. No, Esther, she's at 750. Because she gave me the 5 minutes first. Okay, yeah. So like how you give me something, you throw up on it. Up in the L line, you know. Thank you, darling.
What a pound?
What a what?
3 pound this.
4 cow.
3 pound this. Yes, what a pound this cow?
Instead of some brown rice, you know. Oh, that brown rice? Brown rice for me? Parboil. Oh, you said it? What go on, Benji? Oh, Benji. You said it, pa? Esther, I'll give him some of them parboil rice. The brown rice. Yeah. No, 600.
Never asked that.
I get some cat soup. Come here, actually a soup I'm getting boy.
So,
Oh, that's what it's called.
where the flour then left from Madison?
White.
Wait. So we're gonna get old flour. That's what I'm gonna.
We just don't want to buy no flour.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
If you want to cook right, at least make it brown rice. Okra there. $150 too much? Do £2 now. £2 please.
I can feel them there, they're fresh.
Stop.
Scale will tell you when to stop. Yeah, the scale.
Know them.
Know them? Let me see. Oh, that's only £1. So, I don't want to give too much of them spoil for them too. That's true. There is one out there.
At the outside, yeah, at the inside of the one, right?
Right, oh. Too much oil. Oh, no. Well, we work with this.
How much is safari?
$150.
Me don't hear it, so try me take out the earpiece. I never asked her. They get under the...
All the lights there? Oh, no worries.
No worry, mommy.
Once it's done, call it the last time.
Alright, Auntie, you have to know. So later, thanks.
On the plaster.
Look at that, shoot that now.
Put the banana down. Boom, the bag of credit card boss in it. I put another one there, Esther. Give me that one, boom, bring this. This is unbalanced. Yes, I will. Yeah, things to protect from Herbal, man. Alright guys, well, blessed love. You have the donation with you? Okay. Yeah, so we're rolling in up to Mama River like we're rolling from the countries. With Wow Chef has bag on him shoulder and boom a banana on him shoulder. Esther with bag in her hand. And here with more. So all of these is just ground provision. Where the dad can boil some soup, boil ground food, to eat, to fit up back his body. So as you can see where it's coming from. Yeah. It really look like a real country where I come from. Where I come from, bush. Boom with the banana on his shoulder. Yes, boy, we have to take a rest of our life. Evening. Oh, you. Hey? Hey, my mic. Boy, boom, how's that damage the camera?
No, who are you? Hey.
Alright guys, so we finally touched down. It was a struggle, you know, bringing up all of them stuff, but we finally here, so you know, the thing goes already. So we have to also give thanks to Goldie, you know, from D-Rock Design, as well to from North London. I want to thank her so much as well to getting this stuff to the father, you know, so he can get some soup and them thing they put down, you know, so ground food. So charge right here now, you know, we went to town and get some stuff, you know, a lot of banana. Yeah, so we get a lot of stuff in here. We got pumpkin, you know, some string beans, because we know we're going to need them stuff here, you know, because myself for the health. Pumpkin, this one. Some corn and sweet potato in there. You know, so buy the thing them for boiled soup as well, for the cock soup. Cabbage for your steam, take out this in there. Cabbage for your steam, soup for yam. Cat, excuse, it's not your food here. So we have carrot and okra and anything there. So we buy brown rice for the timing. So this is the rice, palm boy rice we may try about, you know. Because we'll get some grocery food as well to different, but we couldn't get everything today. So it was a struggle bringing up everything alone. You know. And these stuff we're gonna buy is from Goldie, you know, which is from D-Rock Design. Goldie, you can thank Goldie from D-Rock Design.
Thank you. Goldie from D-Rock Design. Goldie for thanks, man. Goldie for thanks.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Goldie Design, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
Yeah, so from the donation at this time we have some change left over as well too. You know, some just give the change that left over. So that here's the change that left over. This is a 3,000 that left over from what we bought, right? From Goldie. So yeah. So I may also have a donation as well. A donation. I also have a donation here for you from it's from Anonymous from New Jersey as well, to the help out with the health, you know, just to help out to get something to continue maintaining. And this is $12,550 here from Anonymous from New Jersey. So
Anonymous from New Jersey, thanks again, you know. Holy for blessing, you know. Holy for thanks again, you know. Holy for blessing.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Anonymous, so much, and make your food basket never go empty.
So give thanks. Thank Anonymous, Nana.
Thank you, Anonymous, and make your food basket never dry.
Yes. You thank Anonymous, Cranberry.
Thank you, Anonymous.
And Goldie.
And Goldie. Thank you so much.
Alright, so we want to thank you. Thank you, Anonymous, you know, all the way from New Jersey. You know, we thank you so much, you know, and Goldie as well from D-Rock Design from London. Bless the family. So, as I said, I'm going to link with the big Herbal man, you know, so I call him as well as soon as we come off at the camera, so he can help explain to you. So, the bag here we have, this is your starter, right? We're going to start it off with, you know, so it's from Yaya and Melissa. You know, from Fancy Fruits, you know, that's all the Herbal man where the things that me and feed and everything. So from Yaya and Melissa from Fancy Fruits, you know.
Yaya, Melissa from
Fancy Fruits.
Fancy Fruits, thanks again, man. Only for honor and love, man. Thanks again.
Yes.
Melissa from Fancy Fruits, and Yaya, thank you so much, and may God bless you and keep you up.
Alright then, so in this bag, now as I been say, we're gonna explain them to you. So we have the wormwood. This is where you're gonna start from first, you know, you're gonna take 2 of them capsules, like you know, the night before you go to bed, you know. So this you're gonna take this for like you take it till you finish. But you're gonna take this first for the first 5 days before you start on the rest. But you're gonna continue to take it same way, you see me, but You just want this worming out first, you know. So you have this, which is the adult worm out, and you have the colon cleanser, you know, which is this now you're gonna take after 5 days. Taking that, you just take this. This is one go. So you take this like 4 hours after you finish eat. You know, once you take this and everything you flush out, you know, that clean right out. You know, so this is called the colon cleanser. You see me? Click it right out. You know, so all that for you. And here, this is what you're gonna take as well after you come off of the colon cleanser. It's called blood purifier. You know, cleanse the blood and everything, alkaline the blood, you know, get your back up and running, you know. So this help, you know, like for healing the wounds and make things, because him said him knows say actually diabetic, the blood, you know, it go black when you get cut, it go show black, you see me? So because so these are one going to help you see me? So this now we're going to use this to take it, you know, 2 of this every morning, yeah, on an empty stomach with that, you know. So with also that, they will also end up take the circulation. This is called a circulation tonic, you know, to make your blood circulate and keep it how it's supposed to. But as I said, I'm going to make a talk to him, you know, because this have been the same, the lemon and the cayenne pepper, and the ginger, the garlic, everything, the dopey gun, you name it, we end of this, you know, help the blood keep on circulate with that. And with this now, this is the eye drops, you know, for your eye, with a glaucoma, you know, you name it, cataract, anything at all on the eye. So this you can use it before you go to bed, and you can use it same in the morning. 3 drops in each eye, you know. You go feel, even when you wake up in the morning, you go see the much thing come out of your eye, you know. So this is your 20/20 vision, you know. So I'm saying I'm gonna make you speak to him as soon as I come off of the camera, and can explain to you more, and you can just remember. So here's the bag there, you know, and you say, yeah, thank you so much, you know, for this. And you say it's a start, because you might get other things after. So after you finish that, you might put them on other stuff. You see me? So you might get back up and running like you were 16 years old, you know. You see me? Because you know everything will go on, so I'm going to talk to you and show you. So that's why we kind of get these stuff now, you know, for help change your diet. You know, because you're going to need these things, you know, so the more we can get, you know, especially I'm say less rice, you know, we can feed enough for this gum food and things, banana and everything, and some cabbage. So we have more things that we can buy literally, you know, for you, see me. So yeah, and Melissa, we thank them so much. Yeah, Melissa, you Miss Cranberry. Today is not food day, yeah? It's daddy day, right? I'm a food day today, so don't worry, now go get KFC and thing. We could go KFC today. Today is a knockoff day. Yes. So the free day line is too long, you know, long. Yes, the free day line that too long, man. So now I get KFC and thing, and so I still have things to come start up to bring come here, see me, you know. So perhaps the people them concerned about the help, so you see them reach out to make sure say you're up and running, because yes, so. Yeah, man. So I'm say them like what I've been doing, trying to help out the family, which is starting the place out, you know. So with a thing like that, them want to make sure so them keep it up so you can continue doing what you're doing, you know. And as what promised, I'm say with the build up, one of them days in a week we'll come up here and give you a strength so we can help clear off as well too, you know. So how is your eye now, Nana? It's better, it's going down. Yeah.
Yes, I burst something burst.
It burst now.
Yeah.
This morning.
Because it look like a one boy. Yeah, kind of ripe, you know, so it's gone down now. That's a Nana. No, Nana, alright.
Nana, she not going to do because her eyes swell up.
No, nobody see her with her eyes swell up. I don't blame you, Nana. Yeah, stay away. Yeah. I don't know, should I try to get some callaloo as well too? Yeah. We never seen a callaloo, last time I never seen a callaloo. Yeah, and then it was half there.
Today.
So we don't buy too much of the thing them because we don't want them spoiled by you. You know? But as me I say, once you continue again, they won't spoil. So you just get the groove on. Yeah. And cranberry cook regular. Cranberry, you have to boil banana.
Yeah.
And yam.
She can't peel it, but me can peel it also. Sometimes I have to make Georgie peel it. Can scratch my skin.
Okay.
Me don't know how peel yam.
You know for steamed cabbage? Yeah?
Eat cabbage raw.
Eat it raw?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't cook it. You don't cook it? Okay.
Like boil in the water to boil it down.
No, you don't boil it in the water.
Fry it. You put on the
You
ice.
steam it.
Yeah.
And you don't put no water in it because cabbage have its own water.
Yeah. See, you never do cabbage yet.
I like.
You never do
You
it.
can fry it.
Eh?
Any other thing?
You never do the cabbage or cranberry, so no.
Yes. My mother never saw me do them. I rather eat cabbage if I never know that.
Eat it raw?
Yeah.
Yes, you can eat raw.
I'll cry at them.
So you have corn as well to put in the soup.
And I go it.
And the June bulb.
Boy. Them mint pear nice, you know them? Them black.
Them black.
Them look like some big fly. And some big, them about this size. Yeah, slim.
From June start to hear them.
Yeah.
They normally make nice.
Whenever all them start make nice in the yard, you can hear yourself.
So me bug,
Yeah.
me done in a slim bug there again. Them money come in.
June. They call him June bug. Yeah, mostly where mostly greenery is. Yeah. Alright, so when they reach 6 o'clock, what? When the wall them turn on,
That first mirror.
yeah,
Like a book too.
the Pinot Wally.
Then you shine for your life. Especially like you say, especially when the time dark up here.
Yeah.
Then fly up straight into the house. I'll catch them in a back.
Yeah. That guy see that nice in here in there, that's June bug, you know? When them start to make nice, like it's so much. So much. My video one yesterday when time I go in.
June bug?
Yeah.
Out of the
But me
Right,
never
that's all.
see it.
No,
Anyone
out
make
of
nice?
the one and I say.
I know out there, right? That's up on the tree. On the tree, my video. Yeah, like peer nice, some of those videos.
I'll take it.
Yeah. I'm kind of quiet sometimes. Never. Toko, what you doing so high?
What you look at on certain maca tree, then they look maca tree. What you look on maca tree, then full of the maca tree.
Yeah. One only for them. Like them like some big fly, you know, some big fly, but them big. Yeah.
Out of the ground then come from, you know.
Out of the ground?
Yeah. And then go up on the tree and come out of one shell. You know, when you look on the tree, it's look a shell, and them come out of it.
Yeah, I hear them get loud, Esther. And the whole them turn on like siren.
Especially when they go down the river,
Yeah.
you hear them, they must sing.
Yeah, the whole them turn on like siren. Did the finish flash out run yes a charge?
We never done that, but we don't do it on the side of me where you see me a flash yesterday.
Okay. Oh, so you address this as well too?
Yeah, and that piece, I never do. I just float the deep hole on the side, and I just
Okay.
I put piece of boat on it.
And floating?
Yeah. They really float it, man. Treat have a little belly there, sir. You may have to make a little reveal it up last out the belly. That's how you see how it fill up.
Yeah. Okay, guys, as you can see, you might dress out this, you know, 'cause it was like this before. Now, as you can see, the dressing, you know, you might dress out everything. So, you know, so this is what it was finishing off as well to yesterday. You know, as you can see, you know, this is already in float out. This already, as you can see, it's smooth already. Run here, so as well too. Yes. Yeah, put a board here so to catch the edge.
Yeah, put a board there. I put piece of board there so can I bring out there. So 2 years so can I have a way. I bring out there so a way to square it up.
Okay, yeah. Yes, it can straight on. Yes, one. Hopefully, I'm saying when time the team come, hopefully when them come, we can help even run the pipings. Yeah. Because the man will not want to dig more, so wait one for do now, just.
I just have everything that me no come on, so I can do one thing help the car.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I say just have the material and everything there, so when you come, we can just put in the work. I know we have come from early, you see me? If I go there from the whole day, all of our work can get done.
Yeah, man.
As I say, another builder like yourself, you know, and the man that work fast, see me.
Fast.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Up and running. Yeah, me understand, man. And then show the foot and everything. You know, if you want to have a second, man, this will splash off and dash off and lock off a long time. You know, but as I say, you've done well so far. You know, to be honest, you've done well so far. Because you see where it come from, and in the short space of time as well too. You know, the short and the whole of this way you do. You know, in the short space from the roofing come right down from the additional. You see me? That's a lot you did. No, that was a little piece.
Yeah, because remember this never come out.
It never come out. And now look on that, come out, big space. But even you stay from here so now, and look on the whole house, go all the way down there, so. Yeah. Something big here for us. Yeah. But it was only just a little big one here alone. You know, you have Verna, you have run the next part, the kitchen and everything. Yeah, so man, we have to really thank. We have to thank the extended family, you know, we have to really thank them so much, man. Yeah, man. I'm say, you deserve it because, you know, Father God do try to help each other, see you, you know. So it really was a blessing, something where you truly deserve. Yeah. And you make use of it. The kids them, you know. So it's the way forward, man. It's the way forward. Talk come and fight. Yeah, tell it. Catch up with that.
Yeah, catch it up somebody out the water.
And even the kitchen as well, and how much left to do in the kitchen?
No, the kitchen finish up when I the mess, I just a little cutting tile and the shelf and I have put in tile.
The cutting tile?
Yeah. The kitchen.
So what?
Put in one Solitex, I just piece more Solitex piece for going in the kitchen.
Oh, you put it one piece in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so once everything sealed up, then we can just buy the stuff them and bring them in, you know. Give the place a nice clean up a day there. And we just, you know, clap on in and just call it a welcome home. Greatness. We're going to just have the material where you know so you're going to need charge if everywhere so that day everybody there on something. Yeah. Because the man them already have prepared themselves, you know. I'm already prepared to say yes. So guys, so that day you're going to see the dream team up here, you know, because I'm saying Barger is going to take a day off from the work that he's doing. You know, and bring some of the members then will come out, let's give him a strength and just do what we can do. We can fast to help him out because the help is really needed. So we're going to do that. So we make sure I say, yeah, with a huge strength. So for that day they can see how far everything gets done. I don't know when time dream team are put in the work already and put in the work. So it's going to be a wonderful day, you know. We're going to hold our vibes, we're going to cook, you know, see anything by the river. So, you know, because man, I'm at work. So we're going to make sure we make the special, the oats dumpling. You know, that's a must. So we're going to have that on that day, the oats dumpling are bubbling at the pot, same way while the work are going, you know, riverside. It's going to be a good vibe, you know, good working vibes. No joke, man. No joke at all, you know. So, and we have Miss Toko, swim champion. Toko!
Wait, I'm this.
What's that? If you want something like this, you say every night more watching.
Wait, go chef.
What's that? What you want?
Toko.
The funeral?
Yeah.
You say every night I watch it? You see, why you never cry then? You should have cried. Why you hold it back?
And then you just say to my mother, so at first, I see it come out, you know. Because me first come out and show my mother. How many saw this the point and Kino not tell me?
I don't have to tell you.
What?
Do I have to tell you?
Yeah.
No, sir.
See the phone lock off on something.
I don't have to tell you nothing here for us go.
You first have to do something. I have to show you your face. Watch it. Yeah.
I don't mean that I'm a brother.
No, who this is?
I'm a twin brother that. You never know I got twin brother.
No.
Yes, she never know.
We never know. Sometimes when the kid come and brother come.
Exactly. I just tell him exactly how to talk to you and what to do. You never know that. Okay, I'm sure to tell you. So when him come next time, you just look on the look on his nose. Yeah, you go see. Just look at my nose, and when you see next time, just look on his nose. Yeah? Watch ya.
You me alone.
You must laugh. Watch and see when him come. Don't be surprised.
I see you, yeah.
I don't mean that.
Yeah.
If you look on him nose.
You can't trip me and kill me.
Look on him nose.
Watch your style. You can't trip me. Me know your face, right? You can't trip me.
So twin is the same identity. The same identical look you go see.
Daddy.
Like man, daddy.
Right. You see.
Same identical look. She never knows any twin in a guy. No, she know. She didn't know that I'm a twin. You know Nana? No twin, you know? You didn't know? Ah, my brother come up here enough time and
Kino can't check out. Me know say Kino. Hey, watch your mommy. I feel so let me know say Kino.
So now say the two of you look the same?
Me never know say you are brother.
Sure.
Look at mama, let me show you something. I'll tell you if I tell you. It's coming.
You should believe.
Yeah.
That's my twin brother.
Talk about the clothes I'm after
Talk us idle. Well, now I'm going on the street to them, Esther, where you're saying come. That's supposed to finish by now, right?
Done.
It done?
Look at it. Look at the fuck.
The mountain stop through. From yesterday, them are through.
Mommy, come here. Who this?
Let me see.
I'm not alone driving a car.
No, but the two of we can drive the same car, can have license.
Me.
Which one now, man? Them have license.
Just at the ear alone. See that?
So we don't have to have the same hairstyle?
And you're bring your brother come see that?
We can't bring him same time. Him come here, him come by himself.
Okay, man. Let me tell you. Can't trick me?
No, I go trick you. I ain't that, man.
See what I put here. Everybody knows you want. You can't trick me.
Alright then. Fine. Look at my pine. Pine and ginger.
Yeah, person right. Some people want to
I board I want to put up because when I want it break, because I'm going to use it as well too, you know, so I hope I'm not step on the board and break it.
You see, it's the run come, something they run come down, daddy. You want biscuit? You want biscuit that you from morning? Tara?
Toko always eat.
Tara?
Toko always eat.
You know, so we just all bought some dumpling and banana with mackerel.
Oh, so you eat already?
Yeah.
And Toko eat again. Toko belly on the end.
Toko Cranberry, man.
Them around feet though.
Out of the one of them who can hold up, I tell you, Nana, she was Tara.
Yeah.
That's a Tara.
Eat too much. Tara as well.
Nana would have been the first one to say, yeah, she wants something now.
Yeah.
And then Cranberry. Then Nana. Normally if I wash, I eat enough. I eat for the whole day until I finish eat. When I done me eat. Cause if I go eat, I can't go by the wash.
Somebody at home, oh, Cranberry. Cranberry, where you coming from? How where you go? Yeah, guys, you know what it goes already, so it is that time, you know, it's been a long day, you know, so I'm gonna wrap up and move out, you know, say my back is turning, you know, because that's what you say in Jamaica, say, my back is turning, you know. Later to another day. You those things making so much noise. They say June bug, we're in June, so they're celebrating themselves. Pure nice. Pure nice, we are here, star. Stay down there, stay down. Stay down there. Stay down. Okay, so the daddy star put up the solid text as well for the roof. So guys, so I put up piece of the solid text already.
No.
For the roof.
You must know witness. Don't you say that? You say
Piece. So this is the kitchen, you know, so the solid text gone up already for that. You eat already?
No.
So your mother don't cook?
Yeah.
So you're not eating?
And that's if I say me think, I make it. Me think him say, you eat already, me eat already.
So I'm asking if you eat already?
Yes, me never hear say that I say me eat already.
So that's the same thing that?
Yeah, daddy.
That's the same thing. I ask if you eat already.
I don't pay something there. This will look more.
And banana. Yeah, so that's the same thing. So yeah, ask the same thing. It's the same question you ask.
I say, God.
Right, twin, how you doing?
Hi.
Good?
And this we are going to look more fried dumpling. Well, let them the fried dumpling and banana.
But you just eat.
Well, later we said that.
You nothing more.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. You need nothing
I
more.
see we are Jay Sharp cook later. Me? What? I'm going to call back my little friend. I see her down here. Why? Again, you know the Jay Sharp can't find the key. Jay Sharp start ball.
What, the house key?
No.
My mother shop key.
Oh, it's shop key.
She find it leave down.
Tara, high five. High five.
Bring that one that yeah, I'm gonna scratch.
No, no scratching.
Yeah? Oh, you know that?
Alright, come take out the white.
Look at Kino. Why do you say me a piece of yam? And show me allergic to the yam. I said the yam starts scratch.
Oh, you're allergic to yam?
Yeah, me and my mother. And that's why she not touch me.
You gotta find time. Take out those.
You know most of all that right now, Kino.
Of course, right now. Tired.
Like fire. I'm saying that. Mom, look at them. You know, say them are rub off. Look at them.
Nah, rub off.
Yeah? See that rub off.
Nah, rub off.
Look at your bone that. You can't see your bones. You not see mine them.
Alright, guys. We make a run left Cranberry now. Come say goodbye, Cranberry. Come tell them goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy.
And we're going now, guys. I know. Go I'm going to find a different daughter, so you're not put me.
Well, you can't treat me.
Tara, I'm a different daughter. Hello, Tara.
You don't say like Kino?
Eh?
You don't tell me pin them say, Kino love Cranberry and so to that birthday boy she's cheating.
Oh.
Say, you remember the pin them, then before me left. I bought them about I want. You don't tell them I can if I tell you I.
Yes.
Say,
tell them
get one of them number.
Tell them I.
Tell them I. Yeah, we see them back again.
Say hello, Classic. Tell them name. Classic.
Classic. I.
Cheers.
Cheers. I.
Daniela.
Daniela. I.
Mika.
Mika. I.
Catalia.
Catalia.
And who else? Who else is missing? So Daniela, Classic, Cheers, Catalia, Mika, and Kelsey.
And Kelsey, I.
And Cheers. You call Cheers.
You call Cheers already.
So what about the next big one then?
Call them name out.
No, when I big one them.
Daniela and Catalia. The two tall one them.
I must start my friend. We say, I'm here done come to them come over the Kino. And they gone. It's when they let me do my how one year do?
Toko.
Oh, tell her auntie I Minky because she went on Kino subscriber.
Minky.
Tell Minky and Mama I.
Minky.
Yeah. Mama.
Mama. Minky.
I.
And Mama hi.
And Mama I. Minky. And Mama.
Minky.
And Mama. Yeah. So Minky and Mama, big up on yourself, you know. I'm always watching, so thank you so much for watching. Minky and Mama. Alright. So, alright guys, I'm going now, right?
Yes, Ernie, and I go to all the subscribers.
You just off me a while ago.
Come on, man.
Alright,
Safe journey, daddy. When I reach home, I'll name him. That you don't say, I remember, you don't remember. Everybody do so.
I talk eyes and give an high five. Come on. Talk, Tara. Tara, she licked me. Tara, Cranberry licked me.
See them, I lick him.
She licked me, Tara.
Tara!
Yes. Yes.
Never lick him back.
Hey, tell her, don't lick me. So don't lick me. Don't, exactly. Don't lick me.
Me back.
So Tara, fight for me, yeah? Alright, Tara, ease her up, Tara, ease her up. Ease her up, ease her up. Tara, Nana lick me too. Nana lick me. Nana lick me, Tara. Tara, Coco lick me.
Tara, look at me, I lick me up.
Tara, defend me. Alright, you're Tara, come here and give me a hug.
Tara.
See you later, okay?
Bye-bye.
Nobody mess with Kino when Tara is here, yeah?
Now go with my father and I'll come.
She not go here, Tara. Don't miss a tricky, okay?
We all go.
She not go.
Bye, Tara. Bye, Tara.
So Tara, look for you.
Come here.
So
No, fine.
So Tara, look for you. Ramp it, Tara, yeah? Alright, ease her up, Tara. Ease her up, Tara. Ease her up. Ease her up, Tara. Ease her up. Don't fix her. Don't fix her. Alright, put on the stick now, Tara. Don't beat her. Don't beat her, Tara. Yeah. Don't beat her, Tara. Don't beat her.
Come on. I ask you once.
Charge, you look more.
You know?
Yeah.
And so we want more back to build up all Puma say, mommy.
Yeah,
so
because one build up the quick more.
About 10 more bags. If you get about 10 more bags.
Time I say,
I see.
I that Puma do today and do for him pool. I sit up you cook.
Oh, Buma ice cream pool.
Yeah, she said never look so darling.
You never know. Never look.
Yeah, see, to them do it, we see when you have it up.
Oh, I never look.
I would say, Buma, oh you dig up that? Swimming pool look a bit shallow, see him, we are really shallow. People swimming there. I will buy a pool nice.
Oh.
So I say better than say the 2 pool nice. Oh, we saw it, you know. So we have Buma pool.
Go call boom them. Must have hurt you upon them stone here.
Mama, me never get the jacket back.
Oh. No, I see him pulling the door, see me. Yeah. Alright, later.
I got that to myself.
Bye bye, Tara. Bye, Nana.
All that one, yeah?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.